The guy driving the train hasn't shown up for work yet. But all the rest of the but all the rest of the compartments of like all the what do you call it, the cargo, the box cars, all the rest of the box cars showed up. Oh, but the guy that repairs the wheels, he doesn't show up either. Everything in the body is supposed to be working together in harmony, like this beautiful flow. And like with
Yeah.
how you help people unblock where they're struggling at. So that way they can get out of the weeds, so to speak, and get their lives back.
Yeah. Yeah. That's amazing. Um, and so a lot of people, one thing they don't realize is a healthy body has a frequency, right? And disease has frequency.
Oh, let me talk about this. So disease. Mm-mm. So in the company in what we do for a living, we have the ability like that Dr. Royal Rife who created the frequency machine and all that stuff. That is truly what we're using. We're using the breakthrough discovery from 100 years ago science.
Hmm.
I call that today suppressed technology.